Join me as I take on the challenge of creating my dream website from scratch using this amazing web design solution. When it comes to building a strong online presence, having a dream website is crucial. It's a vital tool that helps you connect with your audience, showcase your products or services, and ultimately drive sales. But how do you create a website that truly aligns with your business goals? We've all been there, stuck in a rut, struggling to create or update our websites because we lack the technical skills or understanding of design principles. We spend hours trying to figure out how to code, or we're overwhelmed by the countless design options available. Maybe we've even hired a professional, only to end up with a website that doesn't quite live up to our expectations. It's frustrating, to say the least. And to make matters worse, we're not even sure if our website is actually working for us or against us. Are we using the right layout, the right colors, the right imagery? It's enough to drive anyone crazy. The thing is, we're not alone in this struggle. So many people face the same challenges when it comes to creating or updating their websites. We're not web design experts, and we shouldn't have to be. We have businesses to run, products to sell, and services to offer. We need a solution that helps us create a website that's both beautiful and functional, without breaking the bank or requiring a degree in computer science. So what are our options? Well, we could try the DIY route, attempting to build our website from scratch using a template or website builder. We could hire a professional web designer, hoping they understand our vision and can bring it to life. Or we could use a website builder, which promises to make the process easier but often falls short. Each option has its pros and cons, and it's hard to know which one is right for us. There's another option, though, one that balances quality, affordability, and user-friendliness. It's a web design solution that takes the guesswork out of creating a website, giving us the tools and support we need to build a site that truly represents our brand. It's an option that's specifically designed for non-techies, people who want a beautiful website without the hassle and expense of hiring a professional. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to use, even for those of us who are tech-phobic. By using this web design solution, we can create a website that drives results, one that engages our audience and helps us achieve our business goals. We can choose from stunning templates, customize our design, and add features that make our website stand out from the competition. And the best part? We can do it all without breaking the bank or sacrificing our sanity. So, what's the takeaway from today's video? Having a dream website is within reach, and it's easier than you think. With the right web design solution, you can create a website that truly aligns with your business goals, one that drives results and helps you succeed. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below about your website experiences. Don't forget to subscribe for more web design tips and tricks, and I'll see you in the next video.